Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will explain about the value of a vote of an MLA and an MP in presidential election of India. Recently, we got our new president, Dr.D.N.Garain Murmu, the president of India. According to the news, the result of presidential election 2022 is as follows. Total votes polled 4,754. Number of invalid votes 53. Number of valid votes 4,701. The candidate Dr.D.N.Garain Murmu got 2,824 votes. The vote value of 2,824 be 6,76,803. Vote value is also called electoral votes. Jaswant Sinha got 1,877 votes, whose vote value is 3,80,177. Now question is that this column is number of votes and this column is vote values or electoral votes. What is the relation between number of votes and vote value or electoral votes? Today, I will explain the cause behind this. As we know that in presidential election, voters are member of Legislative Assembly, that is MLA, from different states and capital territory, Delhi, and Union Territory, Pondicherry. Also, voters are members of Parliament, that is members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. They are voters. Here in this column, number of votes, that means number of votes cast by MLA from different states and capital territory of India, Delhi, Union Territory, Pondicherry, members of Parliament, that is members from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This column, number of votes. But this column is the vote value which is calculated through some formula. Now we will discuss about this formula. As MLA and MPs are voters. Now we may see that this is a region for MP and this region is divided by some regions. Let here regions 1, 2, 3, 4. So in a MP region, let here we have 4 MLA regions. So one MP is the representative of a larger area than one MLA. So it is obvious that the vote value of an MP must be greater than vote value of an MLA. Now we will try to know what is the vote value of MLA and MP. Now we find the formula for vote value of an MLA in a state. The formula is vote value of an MLA in a state equal to total populations of the state per 1971 census. In 82th amendment of the Constitution, it was decided that the total population will be taken from the census 1971. So here total populations of the state per 1971 census divided by total number of elected MLAs of the concerned state divided by 1000. For example, we take the case of Zarcon state. In Zarcon state, vote value of an MLA equal to total population of Zarcon state as per 1971 census divided by number of elected MLAs. Elected MLAs, not selected. We will take only number of elected MLAs. Here, as per 1971 census, the population of Zarcon state be 1,42,27,133 and total number of elected MLAs be 81. Now we divide this and again we divide with this number by 1000 and we will get 175.6436. In rounding figure, we get this value is 176. Therefore, vote value of an MLA in Zarcon state be 176. It is not necessary that vote value of an MLA of Bihar state or other state be same as Zarcon state, that is not equal to 176. In Himachal Pradesh, the vote value of an MLA is 51. In Karnataka, the vote value of an MLA is 131. In UP, the vote value of an MLA is 208. In Bihar, this figure is 173. In Zarcon, 176 and in Bihar, 173. So, vote value of an MLA in Zarcon state is greater than vote value of an MLA in Bihar state. Now, total vote values of Zarcon state. The vote value of one MLA is 176. Therefore, vote value of 81 MLAs will be 176 multiply 81, that is 14,256. In this way, we will get total vote values of MLAs of different states and union territories, that is Capital Territory Delhi and Union Territory Pondicherry. Then we will take sum of all vote values of MLAs from the different states, Capital Territory Delhi and Union Territory Pondicherry, and total sum be 5,49,495. Now we use this figure to find vote value of an MP, that is member of parliament, that is members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The vote value of an MP is calculated by another formula. Since number of elected members in Lok Sabha equal to 543, number of elected members in Rajya Sabha equal to 233, total elected members of parliament equal to 543 plus 233 equal to 776. Now we use this figure also. Now formula for the vote value of a vote of an MP equal to total vote values of all states divided by sum of elected members of both houses of parliament. Since total vote values of all states, union territories be 5,49,495 divided by total members of the parliament is 776, that is equal to 708 rounded up. So vote value of an MP is 708. Here we have seen that vote value of an MLA in Zarcon state is 176. Therefore, vote value of an MP is more than vote value of an MLA. Here, if we compare this, we get that vote value of an MP is 4 times approximately to vote value of an MLA. Now, we will solve a question. Question is, let in a presidential election, a candidate gets X MLA votes, means X number of MLA votes, and Y number of MP votes from Zarcon state. How much vote values will be obtained by the candidate from Zarcon state? Now we solve this. Solution. Since we know that vote value of an MLA in Zarcon state is 176, vote value of an MLA in Zarcon state equal to 176, and vote values of an MP equal to 708. Therefore, total vote values obtained by the candidate from Zarcon state equal to 176 vote value of an MLA multiply number of MLAs who cast votes to the candidate plus 708 multiply Y. Vote value of an MP is 708. Here Y number of MPs cast vote to the candidate. So this is the answer. Similarly, we may calculate the vote value obtained by the candidate from different states. For example, in Himachal state, let X number of MLA cast vote to the candidate and Y number of MPs cast vote to that candidate. Then, in place of 176, we will write the vote value of an MLA in Himachal state. In Himachal state, vote value of an MLA is 51. So, in place of 176, we write 51 multiply X plus the same vote value of an MP, entire country, 708 multiply Y. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.